Hi, today in front of me Nokia 200. Hi, today in front of me Nokia 230, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first, just open the menu and then scroll down by click to this down button, scroll to the settings, tap to choose, click here to tones. Here you'll see the ringtone section, choose it. You got here scene 1 as scene 2 section. You could use two different types of the sounds of each of the scene. For example, let's use this one. Let's go back, so tap to back. We could here change the phone ringtone volume, just to mute it and mute to change it. Here we got the vibration section. We could turn on and turn off the vibration, or to use vibration in ringing mode. In messages section, we could also change the different tones, or just to turn them off. Let's go back. Here we got also the keypad tones. We could turn them off or turn off the keypad sounds, and to turn on or turn off the warnings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comments and subscribe our channel.